Sam, a college student, was struggling with a breakup. He felt numb and couldn't talk to anyone. One night, he typed a few lines into AI Buddy about how much he missed her and the pain of letting go. Within minutes, AI Buddy turned his thoughts into a song. Sam sang it quietly in his room. A week later, he shared it online. 10,000 people listened. Some messaged him saying, "This made me feel seen." That's the power of emotional music. Then there's Maya. She journals every day, but never thought her words were special. With AI Buddy, she turned her journal entries into a lo-fi album. No experience, no fancy tools, just feelings transformed into something lasting. AI Buddy isn't here to replace musicians. It's here to empower anyone who has ever felt something deeply, to express it. It helps you say, "This is how I feel," and turn that into a melody, a message, a memory. Why does this matter? Because emotions are meant to move. Bottled up feelings don't just go away, but when you express them through music, something incredible happens. You heal, you grow, you connect, you inspire others. And even if you never share your song with the world, just the act of creating it can be transformative. So here's your invitation. Whether you're heartbroken or hopeful, anxious or excited, AI Buddy is here to walk with you. From the first word to the final chorus. Your tears, they matter. Your joy, it deserves a beat. Your story, it deserves a song. From tears to tracks, AI Buddy helps you turn raw emotions into real art.